everybody? Okay, so basically it's a new year. So far not a great year, not gonna lie. A lot of crap happened. But okay, let's move forward. All good. All good. Basically I want to do a couple of things differently this year. I'm thinking of hearing back from you guys. What are you looking for? There's a couple of ideas that have come to my mind. A man called David came to me and said, what about critiquing people's work? So people send in work and we have a look at it, and I give maybe feedback on it and maybe guide you in the right direction, and then maybe show them off in another episode or something. Let me know if this is something that you would like. If not, or if so, I want to get a lot more into Unreal Engine this year. MetaHuman's Unreal Engine, using DAZ with Unreal Engine, I think will be a wicked one. Bringing animations, setting up scenes and stuff like that. Starting to do some cool things. I want to do a lot more art pods. I like art pods. They're cool and I really enjoy doing them, just talking about crap and stuff. Let me know if there's topics or subjects that you want me to talk about. There's so many things in art which is crazy, girl. And maybe that's something that you want to hear about. What else, people? What else? Let me know what you want to learn or what you want to know. Do you like the art pods? I love doing them. They're cool. They're a lot of fun for me. I like just talking crap, in all honesty. Reviews of products, I quite like that. Seeing things I like or don't like. I'll get more into characters and hair and clothing and all that kind of stuff this year. Plugins for DAZ. My next video I'll do will be the essentials of Genesis 9, getting into it and what exactly you need to start off with, so you don't have to spend a ton of money and just waste it. I mean, the 8.1s are crazy. Bought everything. I use like 10% of this library, so it's cray. So let me know. Let's hope this is a good year. But let's see how it all goes. All right, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me, and hopefully let me know in the comments. What do you want to learn? What do you want to know? Shout, and I will not listen. I'm joking. I will listen, and we'll start this year off good. No, the year started off. let's not beat around the bush. Shitty year so far. Let's try and turn that into a good one. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you again later. Bye, guys.